What is the difference between honesty and integrity? Hi, I am Vikas Mohan Khosla, author of upcoming book Fall Flat to Stand Tall and a keynote speaker. A lot of people discuss and talk about being honest and having integrity. It's a very thin line that would differentiate honesty and integrity. You are honest most of the times, but if sometimes you're not honest, then you don't have integrity. For an example, you stop in India, you stop at a signal, there's a red light, and you stop because there is a cop standing ahead. But if it is Sunday morning 6:30 a.m. and there is a red light and you stop at the signal, and after a few seconds you just go because you think it's Sunday morning 6:30, nobody is going to be there. Are you honest enough? But here you move from honesty to integrity. Integrity is doing something irrespective of who's watching you. The definition of integrity is being in a state of completeness or being in a state where you are undivided. That means that you are the same all the time. You do things for who you are, not for what the situation is. कोई नहीं देख रहा तो हम चोरी कर लेंगे, कोई देख रहा है तो हम सच्चे बनेंगे. No. You are honest, and then once you are honest, you move to integrity. Because you can be honest to the world, but are you honest to yourself? Because if you do something wrong and nobody knows, is it fine with you? But you sleep with you and you wake yourself up in the morning. Nobody might know, but you know. You know for yourself that did you cheat, did you lie, or were you dishonest? And having integrity means that you are the same in front of somebody else and when you are alone, and you just do the same thing. So don't be in a state of being divided. Be in a complete state. Have integrity. You need to understand honesty and integrity. Have integrity. Most of the time you are honest to the world, but you are the biggest liar to yourself. Why? Because you promised, I will exercise, I will not have fried food, I will be fit. You're honest. If I give you 5 lakhs of rupees, you will give it back. You are honest, you don't cheat. But you are the really dishonest to yourself because you don't keep the promise that you give to yourself. You cheat on what you said on yourself. But when you have integrity, you will do what you committed that I will do. So subscribe to my channel. Feel free to give me a call. Take care. God bless you all. We are going to have a great time once we come out of the lockdown, and we are going to have great growth in all spheres of life. God bless you.